each other. It's really pretty. Right there, I've added like 5 colors. So then I'll put, you guys can do this in any order, in any movement, and anyway, I was just the advice of not putting little bits of color. I first started, I was like, oh my God, that's a lot of paint I'm wasting.
Yeah, exactly.
I like to run it down the sides of the cup too, because if you pour it straight in, it'll go straight to the bottom with the force. So what you want to do is keep your colors clumped so that they don't mix too much once they get in. It's so pretty in the cup too.
It is. And the cups afterwards look really pretty.
Yeah.
Been here my whole life.
Actually,
Grew up in South Scottsdale, like off the 60.
That's gonna look good. Yeah. Let me see what your colors are looking like.
They're not looking very good. Yeah. I was thinking that.
Keep going. Leave it in one spot though. Yeah, just let it keep going in that one spot. You can put a bunch in there, just do little drops like that, yeah. And then I would do, yeah, even more though.
Okay.
Cover.
Oh, okay.
So that you can almost not see all those other colors.
I'm gonna do.
Let me move this.
Ooh, that's that big one. Yeah, I got an idea. Okay. I'm gonna go.
I should put plastic on the floor. She's dangerous.
Wow.
That was what you were doing.
And then
That black's gonna separate out. Will look really cool.
let me go ahead and grab that torch.
Look how pretty. Wow.
And when you guys do that, when you guys
No, I'm at a friend's house.
when you guys do the torch, just don't want to burn the paint, so you keep it up high.
Oh my God, that looks so cool. Clusters.
You got so impatient.
The lady teaching us wants to. That's interesting. Oh, cool.
Isn't it? That black's gonna separate out and the color gonna show underneath it when she torches again. It's gonna look really good.
Not mine, that's somebody else's.
We'll keep it up a little. Like perfect.
So we're doing the face painting.
So I just like boom, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna splatter everywhere.
Mm-hmm. Oh wow! Leave it for a second. Let it all drain out. Oh my god, this is gonna look cool. Look at the yellow popping up. Oh my god, I get too freaking excited.
This is mine, guys.
It does.
Like a wave or something.
Oh, it looks so cool.
Want it, you know, if there's a spot you don't like, then go over it with paint. Half of it. I would start tilting pretty here quick before you lose.
Before I lose all my paint?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can't have your phone. Okay, then go this way. Yeah, your object is to keep as much paint on the canvas as you can.
Okay.
But let it keep covering, because you got plenty over here, so we need to, and then I would move it that way or that way. You got the concept of what I'm talking about,
Yeah.
right? Ooh. I like it. Yes.
This is so cool.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I have glitter too.
That's cool. That little cluster.
Yeah, you might be able to get a few more to come up.
Yeah.
So
That's what I've
when
noticed
this
is sometimes it just
is
like,
gonna be
as
the
it
base
sits, it
for
just
Yeah.
paint, and
separates.
I'm gonna finish in a couple of
Good.
weeks.
I love it. I like those little white spots there.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, leave them.
Kind of gives them a little bit of character.
Everything does. Don't do that too much. Because
I just wanted to get
see how the lines,
yeah, how it kind of
how
pulls
it's
through.
perfectly, and if you look at where you, I'm just showing you how come it, actually it was fine. It looks fine.
I wish I would have brought some of my canvases to do some of that job.
I got an extra one. You want to use it?
Sure.
She's getting dangerous over here. I'm gonna
Oh, I guess I need the torch now too.
paper.
Right.
Oh, that looks so cool. That almost looks like gemstones.
Right?
Look at it coming up.
Look, it's got this cool little like fish eye.
Look at all that.
Oh, wow.
It's easy to come up, get off.
Anyways, I can't tilt the painting itself, but
Oh, wow, that's cool.
okay, so this is my artwork. I can't tilt it. Oops. Uh-oh. Oh no.
It's easy to come up, get off.
Anyways, I can't tilt the painting itself, but
Oh, wow, that's cool.
I need a picture of our
just some ladies having some fun tonight.
From this angle, it's almost like this super.
The supernova.
Kind of like that, like a super gemstone flying through the galaxy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
it reminds me of.
That's what I was saying, like all these little, I mean, if you look closely, you can see like these little, this white webbing that's starting to pop up through the black. That looks kind of cool. Makes it look like it's cracked.
assistance. Like I told you.
So just start doing this?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's so pretty.
Yeah. Goosebumps. I love it. That's so cool.
Oh, I love that.
Oh, don't torch it. She's pointing with the torch. I like that.
Is it done now?
Yes, I would say done.
You ready?
Mhm.
Okay, I'm gonna come over here and grab some of hers from back there.
Don't move. Oh, lift it up. Okay. Let me move mine. Actually, mine's got a good spot right there. This might have to be tradition.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That looks so cool.
Like
The flower.
Yeah. I'm so
And I'll
freaking.
just leave
That
this.
looks
You
so
wanna
cool.
Get a little bit of maybe the on the
Oh, 'cause she's
edges
got
or
some,
something.
like, orange right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, otherwise it's gonna mess all over that.
Oh, that looks cool.
Uh-huh.